Okay, hi. The person with me here is Liam, and I'm not Liam, and we are here to help explain some coding. Okay, so here we have a code for the RoboSlalom Challenge in Robot C Virtual Worlds. And Liam?
Okay, so this top line of the program, the pragma, is just something that'll make the program work, and is something that happens every time you open a virtual worlds program. And then the task main just tells it, and it makes it work because it just says what to do in the program.
You need to include this in every program that you write.
And afterwards there's a curly bracket, meaning that it would just do whatever's inside of it. And this line 7 says clear timer. This program runs by a timer, and what this does is it sets it to 0, so every time it'll start at 0.
It's important to have enough time in the program so that way your robot doesn't randomly stop in the middle. You can change the time by changing this number here.
Yeah, use the cursor because it'll show them, like, the cursor will show up.
And this will just show that it will go for 3 seconds.
Because time is recorded in milliseconds. Every 1,000 milliseconds is 1 second.
And then if sensor value, if the light is less than 45, which means it would be or greater than 45, which means it'll be a lighter color, it means it will turn right, which is right in here.
And if it's not, then it'll try to turn left, as shown here.
And let's see what the program will do.
As you can see, it's doing pretty good following the line. However, it stops midway. Dun dun dun.
Well, this is because of the timer, and the program is only supposed to run for 3 seconds. And
that's not a lot of time.
That is something you need to increase to make this work.
Yup. So, good luck programming in Robot C Virtual Worlds. Hope this tutorial helped.